Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 27. This is Section 3.1, Problem 27. It says write 0.007 in words. So to convert this decimal number into words, first I'd like to actually write it as a fraction, and then I can more easily go into words. So to write a decimal as a fraction, the first thing you're going to do, step one, is write anything that comes after the decimal point in the numerator of a fraction. So after the decimal point, I have 007. So I put 007 in the numerator of a fraction. The next step I do is put a 0 under each digit in the numerator. I have 3 digits in the numerator, so in the denominator I put 3 zeros. After that, I put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. Now I can change it into words. If you're going to leave it as a fraction, at this point you should reduce the fraction if it's reducible. But since I want words, I'm going to write the number I have in the numerator, which is 7. Notice the extra zeros in front don't really change that. I just have 7 in the numerator. Now, that denominator, I have 3 zeros, so 7 thousandths. Like that. So 0.007 in words is 7 thousandths.